Exactly. This is a patient Dr. Panine did. How many months ago did we do you?
10 months.
10 months ago. And we reconstructed his hairline, and we actually added density through the whole frontal half. And as you can see, it's very, very natural, undetectable actually. Tilt your head down for me. Good. Perfect. Okay, you can lift your head up for me now. How do you feel about it?
Very good. I'm actually pretty happy with the results.
Are you? Good.
Very happy.
Anybody notice anything with you?
No one did.
No one at all, huh?
No one at all. Only the people that I actually told.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
But now they can't even tell the difference.
What about your family? They ever say anything to you or no?
Only 2 of them knew that I had it done, and the other 2 found out a few months later, and they were like, wow, it looks like you had nothing done.
How was the surgery itself? Was that pretty good?
Pretty painless, actually, nothing. It was a long day, but pretty much I didn't feel any pain.
Good.
Watching TV all day.
And would you go back to work like a week later?
Third day later.
You went back to work 3 days later?
Yes.
Wow.
3 days later.
Everything except for the swelling in your eyes, right?
I didn't really have much swelling in my eyes, though.
Oh, really?
Mm-mm.
That's
Thankfully,
pretty good.
Yeah.
And how about, who cuts your hair? Do you go to a barber to get your hair cut, or do you do it yourself?
Yes, I'm going to a barber now. I was doing it myself.
Were you?
Yeah, not anymore.
Did the barber say anything to you or notice anything?
Well, the first time I told him to go down to use a blade number 2 in the back, and he was like, wait. And then he told me, he's like, did you get it done? I'm like, yeah, I did. He's like, it looks pretty good. But this was about 4 months ago. Now I haven't gotten it short. I haven't gotten it cut that short, so I don't know.
Is this the style you like, wearing it like this?
Like this or as a mohawk?
Oh, you cut it shorter even?
Yeah, a little bit shorter than this. And it still looks pretty good.
Okay, let's, I just want to see your incision in the back here, which is actually pretty good. Very hard to even see anything. Even when you go shorter, nobody ever said that they saw anything with the scar, did they?
Correct.
And are you taking anything right now? Are you using Propecia or Rogaine, finasteride?
I'm using Propecia.
Okay,
1
good.
milligram daily.
Good. Well, let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully you don't lose any more hair, and you're set.
Yep.
How old are you right now?
32.
32. Oh, God. You can't even barely even see anything back here. Looks great. Let me just spin you around one more time here. Just lift your head up there for me. So overall, it was a good experience, right?
It was. Very good.
Thank Dr. Panine for that, right?
Thank you, Dr. Panine.
Thanks.